Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best clear balloons is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations available today, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and fun to any event. From whimsical birthday parties and sophisticated weddings to trendy baby showers and corporate gatherings, these transparent orbs offer a unique aesthetic that allows for endless customization, making them a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their celebration with a modern and chic flair that guests will surely remember. Number 5. 100 PCS Clear Long Latex Balloons. Discover the joy of creating amazing balloon animals and sculptures. These clear, long balloons are perfect for bringing your imagination to life. Elevate any kid's party, carnival, or event with these versatile balloons. They are ideal for twisting into fun shapes like animals, swords, and hats. Crafted from durable, premium latex, these balloons are designed for easy inflation and modeling. Simply use a balloon pump and leave a little space to prevent popping. Engage children's creativity and fine motor skills as they twist and shape these fun balloons. It's a fantastic way to develop their dexterity and artistic flair. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these balloons are perfect for creating stunning balloon art and decorations for any occasion. These transparent, long balloons offer a unique look for your creations. They are perfect for making a wide variety of fun shapes and decorations. What we like. These are perfect for creating fun balloon animals and sculptures. If you are looking for a way to entertain kids at parties or carnivals, these are a fantastic choice. They are also great for developing children's creativity and motor skills. What people say. The quality is very good, the material is resistant and they do not burst easily when inflated. They are ideal for making figures, bows or decorations for parties, baby showers or birthdays. These 260 twisting balloons are fantastic for creating animal shapes and balloon sculptures. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching, and the thicker latex feels sturdy, much less likely to pop during twisting and modeling. This pack of 100 long, white 260 balloons is ideal for creating garlands for parties, weddings, or any event. The balloons are high quality, durable, and easy to inflate. Number 4. PartyWoo 140 PCS Clear Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning clear balloon kit, designed to bring a touch of sophistication to any celebration. These balloons come in a variety of sizes to create a beautiful and memorable display. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are built to last. They stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event, from start to finish. Fill them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for floating effects. They are perfect for creating eye-catching arches, garlands, and centerpieces. For the best results, please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, excessive heat, or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a flawless look. Ideal for graduations, weddings, baby showers, birthdays, and anniversaries. Let these clear balloons add a touch of magic and make your special occasions unforgettable. This kit includes balloons in 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes. Please note that the 5-inch balloons may not float when filled with helium. What we like. This set offers a variety of sizes, making it ideal for creating impressive balloon arches and garlands. If you're planning a significant event like a wedding or graduation and want a professional, full look, these are the balloons for you. They ensure your decorations stay perfect throughout the celebration. What people say. The balloons were thick and very stretchy and flexible, making them super easy to tie. These blow up evenly where some other brands have balloons are formed oddly and don't inflate to a uniform shape. PartyWoo balloons were very consistent in shape and texture. Professional quality, not see-through and nice and thick without making it hard to tie. Great variety of sizes to add different dimensions to your balloon art, and the colors are beautiful and rich. Blow up super easily with an electric pump, I had none pop. Will stay inflated for weeks indoors. The balloons were thick, durable, and easy to inflate, with no popping during setup. They held air well and maintained their shape throughout the event. Overall, a good quality option for balloon arches and party decor, especially for baby showers. Number 3. Adhesive Stick Dots, Double-Sided Mounting Putty. Experience instant hold with our highly viscous and absorbent adhesive dots. They stick firmly, keeping your items in place and providing a quick, easy bonding solution. Made from premium acrylic adhesive, these dots are flexible and transparent. They remove easily or can be repositioned without leaving any stains or sticky residue behind. Enjoy a cleaner and safer alternative to traditional liquid tape. These sticky dots are more transparent, have no chemical odor, and offer a superior stickiness that's also removable. Simply peel off the adhesive paper and stick it where you need it. There's no mess, no tools required, and no waiting for anything to dry, perfect for crafts and decorations. These mounting dots won't ruin the beauty of your projects. They easily stick to various surfaces like paper, plastic, wood, glass, and more, ideal for home, office, and school. Use them for posters, scrapbooking, parties, Christmas decorations, or any DIY craft. They are the perfect solution for all your home, office, and school projects. What we like. This is your go-to for securely attaching decorations without damaging surfaces. If you need a quick, clean, and reliable way to hang posters, crafts, or even balloons for parties, this adhesive putty is the solution. It's perfect for temporary displays and DIY projects where you want no mess and easy repositioning. What people say. The balloons are made of high-quality latex material, ensuring durability and a long-lasting float time. These clear balloons are perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to fill them with confetti, glitter, or small flowers to create a personalized decoration. The 12-inch size is ideal for creating stunning balloon arches, bouquets, and centerpieces for various events like weddings, birthdays, and parties. Number 2. Sakolla 10 Sets Balloon Stick Stand. Introducing the Sakolla Balloon Stand, the perfect accessory for your celebrations. This durable stand is designed for long-lasting use. Elevate any event, from birthdays to weddings and baby showers. It's your go-to for festive occasions. Get your decorations ready in just 3 minutes. Assembly is a breeze with the included balloon glue and instructions. Keep your balloons perfectly in place on any table. This stand provides stable support for a beautiful centerpiece. Save money and reduce waste. This stand can be reused for multiple events, making it a smart choice. Crafted from high-quality transparent plastic and acrylic. You can count on it for many celebrations to come. What we like. This product is designed to keep your balloons standing tall and looking elegant on any tabletop. If you're hosting an event like a birthday party or wedding and want sophisticated centerpieces without the balloons floating away, this stand is the perfect solution. It's reusable, making it a cost-effective choice for multiple celebrations. What people say. The sticks lock into the bases if you push them in until they click in place. The only thing that works perfectly to hold them upright in place both inside and even outside in a wind is to put that double-sided sticky thin foam on the little button underneath the base. These were absolutely perfect, so easy to work with and set my party off just right. Number 1. Clear Balloons 20 Pre-Stretched Bobo Bubble Balloons. Introducing our stunning 20-inch pre-stretched clear balloons. These transparent beauties are designed to impress, adding a touch of sophistication to any occasion. Each pack contains 15 pre-stretched balloons, ready for your personal touch. Easily fill them with confetti, smaller balloons, or feathers without needing an inflation machine. For optimal results, gently stretch the balloons before inflation. If the center seam isn't perfectly aligned after inflating, simply deflate, stretch further, and reinflate. Starting at 7.8 inches, these balloons inflate beautifully to 14 to 20 inches. Use an air pump for stunning displays or helium to make them gracefully float. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic PVC, these balloons are both durable and environmentally friendly. Enjoy their high elasticity and long-lasting appeal. From indoor parties to outdoor events, day or night, these transparent bubble balloons are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and creating eye-catching balloon arches. What we like. These large bubble balloons are perfect for creating a dramatic visual impact at your parties. If you want to add a unique touch by stuffing them with confetti, feathers, or smaller balloons, these are the ones to choose. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor decorations, making any event, from Christmas to New Year's, feel extra special. What people say. The bigger size balloons looked extravagant. We used air compressor and they were very easy to fill. The balloons are clear like glass, very cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.